Okay, I'm recording now, hopefully. Working on Toad on Fire. So, that's really loud. So that you can roll blast off like a cannonball. And you can do that over water. But there. So like if you can't cross because of the water, you could cannonball over it. But then if you land on the water, I want it to take you back to where you were and give you some damage, which kind of does that. I just need to refine it. So this is the cannonball function. And I let them fly for half a second. It's this thing here, E init state, so if it's the first time it jumps into this state, it sets everything up. And oh, this mess here fires off a sprite, animated sprite, which is the toad rolling, I think. Pretty sure. And then when the seconds gets to 0, grab the tile, and if it has, I set flags on the tiles. So it's like solid if it's like a wall you can't pass, or in this case water. So if it has water, then we reset the toad back to where it was, because I set start X and start Y here, and E is the player, so when it starts it grabs those, and then so if you're in the water it puts you back to where you were before you cannonballed and rocketed away. And if you're not over water, it puts you back to player do, which is the standard state when you're on ground. Otherwise, if you're water, you go to splash, player splash. So it's the time, and I want it to linger for like a second before moving back, so you could see that you splashed. Let's see. Because without it, it just moves too fast. I'll show you. Yeah, so that moves so fast it feels like a glitch. And I need to move this where it resets you over to here after a second. But I don't have start X and start Y in this function. So I gotta pass it to that somehow. And I can't use integers, it's a double floating point. Maybe. I don't like doing that. Can I use spawn X and spawn Y? I think that's used for after you die. To reset you at the start of the game or the last marker checkpoint. Oh, It's because it's set with a function. There it is. Yeah, the start. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I want to do something all clever and cumbersome. I don't even know if I use that because it reloads the map anyway and would start you off there again, I think. I could try that again. That was weird. Hey, get on my way. Yeah, see, that starts me back at the start. So I'm just gonna use that. We could try a different level. Let's do this one. No! No! Anyway. What went wrong there? Well, first of all, I don't need this here. I could just put it here and get rid of start X and start Y. Oh. No, that's supposed to go next to splash, not play or do. But yeah, this should solve it. There we go. Though he has to go invisible and we need an animated splash there. I can make him invisible rather easily. I have a flag for that or something. Entity flags, hide. Go back to player splash. Set to that. And when it's done, unset flag. Clear flag. I should change that to unset flag, but another time. Okay, let's try this. Okay. There we go. The camera needs to go center around the player a little more with that, but That bar in the lower left is supposed to go up when I fire. I just switched the graphics module over to something updated. And there's a bunch of bugs. Well, maybe not too many. That's over here, I think. Heat bar. It used to be called ammo, but I changed it. So that's like heat. But when it gets up too high, you overheat. And I would show that. Maybe it still doesn't. There we go. So, yeah, you're temporarily paralyzed for like a second when you do that. But you're supposed to see that bar go up and it gets red to warn you. Well, I got times pixels here, but I defined pixels after it. That's probably the issue. There it goes. Lower left, it's going up. And then if you let go, it goes back down. You charge, holds it. So if you keep doing this, you're going to blow up. And then you're vulnerable for a second. Oh yeah, and you can't fire until you hear that noise again. See, my flame changed from circles to kind of something that looks a little more powerful. You collect these glitter star things, and in the lower left above the hearts, that's kind of like I don't know, you could call it like XP points for now, and then when it gets to the top, it'll go to 3, and then my flamethrower will be a little more powerful until I die. Let's see if we could do that, because yeah, these boulders have some of those points. Almost there. There we go. And I almost died. Hey, there's my flamethrower now. Oh, that's good. Health, always good. All right. I think I'll stop there for now.